So now let's continue with the next question from the trigonometry. Given here cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, then evaluate first one 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So given here, given cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. Okay, so with the help of one trigonometry ratio we have to find sine and cos. How we have to find, we have discussed already in previous video. If you haven't watched my videos, go through them and please have a look over it. So given here cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. So with the help of cot theta we have to find the value of sine theta and cos theta. How? The formula for the cot theta is adjacent divided by opposite. Okay, so we take adjacent as, adjacent is how much? 7k we take, where k is some positive number. Okay, opposite is how much? Opposite is 8k. Okay, now I will draw right angle triangle ABC. My right angle is at 90 degree here at B. So you can take angle A here also, your wish. I am taking angle theta at C. So this is my the longest side known as hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the angle is opposite side, and this is my adjacent side. So adjacent side is how much? 7k, and opposite side is how much? 8k. Now we have to find hypotenuse. Two sides of the triangle we know, and we have to find third side. How we have to find third side? By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem states? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of other two side squares. Means the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of opposite plus square of adjacent. Okay, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC we have to find AB is how much? 8k whole square plus BC is how much? 7k whole square. Now I get AC square is equals to 8 square is 64k square plus 7 square is 49k square. So what I get? AC square is equals to 64 plus 49. What I get? 113k square. Okay, if I take square this side, it will become root. AC is equal to root over 113k square. So what I get? AC is equals to root 113k. So I got hypotenuse as root 113k. Okay, now we have to find first 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. First we will find sin theta. So what is the formula for sin theta? Sin theta is equals to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, the formula for the sin theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. How much is the opposite? 8k divided by hypotenuse how much? Root 113k. K gets cancelled, which is equals to 8 divided by 113. Similarly cos theta is equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So we have already discussed about the sides of the triangle and with the trigonometry ratios. Okay, how much is the adjacent? 7k divided by hypotenuse is root 113k. K gets cancelled, what it will be? 7 root divided by 113. Okay, now first we will find first 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so now look at it. A plus B, A minus B. Similarly in denominator also A plus B, A minus B. So what is the formula for A plus B into A minus B? I get A square minus B square, where A is here A1, B is sin theta. Similarly denominator A is 1, B is cos theta. Substitute what I get? A square means 1 square minus B square means sin square theta divided by, in denominator same, 1 square minus cos square theta. So what I will get? 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Now I can substitute the value of sin theta and cos theta. What I get? 1 minus, what is the value for sin theta? 8 divided by root 113 whole square. Okay, divided by 1 minus, what is the formula for cos theta? What I get? 7 divided by root 113 whole square. So now 1 minus the square root of 8 is 64 divided by the root and square get cancelled. What I remain? 113. Similarly in denominator, 1 minus the square of 7 is 49 divided by, in the square root gets cancelled. What I remain? 113. Take the LCM in the numerator. What I get? 113 is the LCM. Now cross multiply. Nothing there mean 1 into 113, 113. Cross multiply 1 into 113. 113 minus 1 into 64, 64 divided by, similarly take the LCM in denominator. What I get? Same 113. Cross multiply 1 into 3, 113 minus 1 into 49, 49. This 113 gets cancelled. 113 minus 64, what I get? 49 divided by 113 minus 49, what I get? 64. Okay, this is, now we will solve second. So with this second question, 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So we have already find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Just substitute here. 1 plus sin theta is how much? 8 divided by root 113. Cos theta is how much? 7 divided by 1 root 113. Take the LCM in the numerator. What I get? Nothing is there. We have to put 1. 1 into root 113, root 113. And cross multiply 1 into root 113, root 113 plus 1 into 8, 8 divided by 7 by root 113. As it is, right? 7 into 1. This is 1 root 113. 113 gets cancelled. What I left out with? 1 root 113 plus 8 divided by 7. So this is my answer. Now let's continue with the next question. So let's continue with the last question from this exercise. Given ABC is right angled triangle. ABC is right angled triangle. The right angle is at B 90 degree. If tan A is equals to root 3, means the given angle here A. So this is my longest side known as hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the angle is opposite side, and this is my adjacent side. So I can take denominator as 1. So given tan theta, what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so opposite is how much? I take root 3k, where k is some positive number. Similarly adjacent is how much? 1k. Okay, so opposite is how much? Root 3k, and adjacent is how much? 1k. Again we know two sides of the triangle. We have to know third side. How? By applying Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem states? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of other two sides square. Means AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC we have to find out. AC square, AB is how much? 1k square plus BC is how much? Root 3k whole square. So what I get? AC square is equal to 1k square plus square root get cancelled. What I get? 3k square. 3k square plus 1k square. What I get? AC square is equals to 4k square. Okay, if I take square that side, it will become root. AC is equals to root 4k square. So what is the value for root 4k square? AC is equals to 2k. Okay, so I got hypotenuse as 2k. Okay, now similarly we have to find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So I will draw another diagram. Here I take angle A, B, C, right angle at 90 degree at B. I take angle theta here, my angle C now. So this is my the longest side hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the angle is opposite side, and this is my adjacent side. So what are we already find? This is my root 3k, and this is my 2k, and this is my 1k. Now easily I can find first one. What is there? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay, first we have to find sin A from here, from this figure. What is sin A? I get Sin A formula is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So what I get sin A? Sin A is equals to, from this figure, what is opposite? Root 3 divided by hypotenuse is how much? Root 3k divided by 2k. K gets cancelled, I get root 3 by 2. Similarly, from this figure, we will take cos A. What is the formula for cos A? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? 1k, hypotenuse 2k. K gets cancelled, I get 1 by 2. Now from this figure we take sin C. Sin C is how much? Same formula, opposite divided by hypotenuse. What I get? Opposite is from this figure how much? 1 divided by hypotenuse, 1k divided by 2k. K gets cancelled, what I remain? 1 by 2. Similarly cos C. Cos C is how much? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? Root 3k divided by 2k. K gets cancelled, what I remain? Root 3 by 2. Okay, try to draw two separate diagram for by taking angle A here and angle C here. Then you can find sin A cos A from this figure, and you can find sin C cos A from this figure. So if you take one figure and you draw angle A, angle C, you get little bit confusion. Okay, now easily you can say what is the formula for sin A? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into cos C. Cos C is how much? Again root 3 by 2 plus cos A. Cos A is how much? 1 by 2. Sin C is how much? 1 by 2. So what I get? Root 3 into root 3, I get 3. 3 divided by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. So what I get? LCM is 4. 3 plus 1 4. 4 gets cancelled. The answer is 1. Okay. Now second one. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. What is cos A? Cos A is how much? 1 by 2. Cos C is how much? Root 3 by 2 minus sin A is how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin C is how much? 1 by 2. What I get? 1 into root 3 by 2? Root 3. Next 2 2s are 4 minus root 3 into 1, root 3 divided by 2 2s are 4. Both gets cancelled. 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. Okay. Now we have come to end our exercise. So in next video we will continue with the next exercise. Thank you.